Tips for trimming your cat's nails, but avoiding the struggle. Choose a calm time when your cat is relaxed. Gently hold your cat, providing comfort and reassurance. Use cat-specific nail clippers for a safer trim. Make sure the area is well lit to see the nails clearly. Hold the paw gently and press to expose the nail. Trim only the sharp tip, avoiding the quick. If the cat pulls away, let it calm before continuing. Reward your cat with treats after each successful trim. Trim your cat's nails regularly to avoid sharp claws. Consider one nail per session if your cat is nervous. Use calming pheromone sprays to soothe anxiety. Have a styptic powder ready in case of accidents. Watch a tutorial for demonstration and confidence. Ask a vet or groomer for guidance if needed. Stay calm and patient, making it a positive experience. Practice makes perfect. Patience will lead to success.